All right, guys. Now I am going to show you how to add a video to an automated event, and this is going to be something that you'll need to do for the 11 o'clock service on Sundays. So here we go. We're going to open up our browser. Again, Safari seems to work best because with our live streaming host, some of the buttons don't show up in Chrome in their web app. So we're going to go to yourstreamlive.com and log in there. And again, the login information should be saved on the iMac here in our AV setup. If they're not, we can get you the login info. All right, so we've logged in. We don't need to schedule an event or anything this time. So typically, here's what you would do. You can see my list of events. I'm actually going to use this test event here, but this is the upcoming events section. I'm going to use this test event today, but I want to show you how to kind of navigate through this to find the service that you're looking for. If you scroll down in that window, you can see right here this button that says expand, because we can't see enough of our services, enough of our events to find the 11 o'clock service. So hit expand, and then basically what that's going to do is update this page so that I can see everything. I can see all those upcoming events. You can see there's the 8 o'clock worship service, the 9:30, and the 11 o'clock, and it says attention, no automated video selected. So as I said, I'm going to use that test event at the top, but just so you can see, that's how you need to look for it. You got to click that expand button. So let me scroll back to the top here, and you can see this test event says the same thing, no automated video selected. You see broadcast type is automated, and there's no automated video selected, which means when it's time for this event to roll, it's not going to play anything. So now there are these buttons down here. You can edit the event, you can upload, you can view, delete. It's tempting to click this upload button. I don't know if it's supposed to work, that you can upload from there and have it work, but the last time I did it, it didn't work. So it uploaded the file, but it didn't actually apply it to this event, the event that I was uploading it through. So we're not going to do it that way. So this is what we're going to do. Now that we know there's no automated video for this event, we're going to go to settings and features right here in the sidebar, which you can also see up here at the top, but either way works. Okay, we're on the settings and features page. We're going to scroll down to videos and automated. Don't get confused. Let me go back here. Don't get confused. There's this manage automated videos. That's just a place where you can go and download or delete automated videos that we already have in our system. Okay, so let me go back. You want to click on straight up automated. And this takes you to an automated video page. Now you don't want to mess with any of this while there's a live streaming event going on. All right. So what you want to do is scroll down to this bottom section, automated. Okay. And you can see here there's previous automated videos that we've uploaded here. And the thing we want to make sure of, you want to make sure that the video that you're uploading matches all these settings, which if we're recording in OBS or if we're using a video that's in the live stream systems archive, it should match those. But just make sure that if you're creating a video for this, it needs to match these settings. Okay, and you want to click upload file. Now I don't have an event video that I want to upload right now, so I'm just going to go pick a background, a video background from that we use in ProPresenter, because they're short and it'll only take a second to upload it. So and so you're going to wait, and you know, if you're uploading an hour-long video, it's going to take a bit to upload it, but that's part of the reason that we use the that's part of the reason that we use the 8 o'clock service to replay at 11. So we're just gonna wait for this to upload. And okay, we're done. We get that file upload complete. We can close that. You can see it's all finished up, and it's not showing up in there yet, but it's there. So now you want to click home, which takes us back to the main page, of course. And now we want to go to our event. Again, if you need to go to a service that you can't see here because it's too far down, you click that expand button. But I'm going to my test event. I just want to click down here at the bottom of the event, click this little edit button. I don't want to touch anything in here except scroll down to broadcast, okay? And the broadcast type is set to automated, which means it's got this spot here for us to put a video in. Here is the video I just uploaded. I'm going to select that. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click update event. And now you'll notice when I go back, it's going to take me back to the main page. And now I no longer have that disclaimer that tells me there's no automated video selected. So that means that at 7 o'clock on Sunday morning, folks on Facebook and on our website will get to see a pretty little background video from ProPresenter playing for 30 seconds. But typically you'd be posting a longer video. So there you go. That's how you do that. Now the other part of it is we need to go to YouTube and upload the same video to run on YouTube as a Premiere. And the reason that we need to do this is because the YouTube API doesn't allow these automated videos from our streaming service to go live. Okay, only Facebook. Facebook will do it, but YouTube doesn't allow that, so we have to upload it to YouTube as a Premiere. All right, so, and what I'm going to do is now go to YouTube, and I'm currently logged into the Worship Ministry YouTube account, so I'm just going to go down here to switch account. Now the iMac and the Worship Center may already, or either iMac may already be connected to the church's YouTube account. If not, we can get you that login information as well. So we're logged into the church's YouTube account. You want to go right here to this little camera button, click upload video. All right. And now we're going to upload a file. So I'm just going to go grab that same background file, or any. I'm just gonna upload one. It doesn't matter which one, and I'm just going to drag and drop it in there. And you can do that, or you can click that select files button there to upload it, to go find it and upload it as well. I'm just going to name this the same thing that I named our event on your stream, and here's the description. Okay, and we want to do this, and the same thing, you want to give it the same name and the same description as the event that you set up in that you have in your stream. Okay, playlists, we're not really doing playlists here. No, it's not made for kids, but there's no age restriction, so we don't need to do anything with any of the rest of this. Now we click next. We don't need to mess with any of these video elements, so we click next. Now, here's the part that we need to be concerned about. And we got to pay attention to details here, okay? Under save or publish, we want to select public, and we want to actually go under schedule, okay? Not this one here. Well, under schedule, we want to set as Premiere. Now, the thing that we want to keep an eye on here is this date and time. You've got to make sure you change the date because it's always going to schedule it automatically for the next day. So you want to make sure that you change the date. Okay. I'm going to set this at the same time as my other event, 7 a.m. on July 12th, which is this coming Sunday. So you want to set it at the same time. So the 11 o'clock service, you want to set it for so in the case of the 11 o'clock service, you're doing it the day of, so you want to set it for that day. If it's this Sunday, July 12th, you want to make sure you set the date for July 12th because YouTube's automatically going to set it for July 13th, right? So just make sure you change that date and then set it for 11 a.m. All right, and we want to set it as a premiere. And what this means is that it sends out a notification, that it lets people know there's a video coming, and it gives a 5-minute countdown on YouTube. And this is why we record it without the 5-minute countdown at the beginning. So that's what we need to do here. And then you click schedule. All right. And so now this is scheduled to go out at that time. And there's a link to it if you need to share it anywhere, that kind of stuff. But it's all good. You shouldn't need to do anything else with that. Now, what might happen when you're uploading a longer video is that it may take some time to process that video. Okay, it'll upload it fairly quickly, but it'll take some time to process it. And so you won't see a thumbnail, and it won't actually start the premiere until that video is processed. And that's part of the reason why it's important for us to do this after the 8 o'clock service and not after the 9:30 service. We have had some issues. We found ourselves in a situation where we had to use the 9:30 service replay for this, and it did not get processed in time to play at 11 o'clock. So we need to make sure that we get the 8 o'clock service replay in as good a quality as we can get it, and we use that one. So that's done. There's how you upload a video, set a replay, an automated replay for the 11 o'clock service.